Hello everyone, it's Akhona the Rooftop Farmer in Canola Center by Handpicked City Farm. Today we're talking medicinal herbs, your sage, rosemary, thyme, mint, and nasturtium. Stay tuned. This is nasturtium. For nasturtium, you can eat the whole plant, you can eat the flower. This is an edible flower, and you can also eat the seed, and you can eat the leaves. For nasturtium, to make tea from them, you harvest a few, maybe this size, and add it on a cup of coffee or tea, and add a little bit of honey. What it helps with is bronchitis and cough. This herb here is thyme. You can use it as a spice. It's very nice with meat. What we use it for medicinal use, it is good for fungal and bacterial infections and coughing. How we use it, you can take, depends on you basically, how much or how strong do you want it. So for me, this is enough for a cup, 250 ml. And I add hot water, let it simmer. After some time, I drink it. It tastes nice, but because it's bitter, you can add a little bit of honey or sugar, dependent on your sweet tooth basically. Rosemary, my favorite herb ever. With more rosemary, it helps with concentration, with memory loss, it relieves stress and anxiety. It also helps with hair growth because it contains sulfur. Up next is sage. So this is sage. Sage leaves. So with sage, it helps with the sores in your throat and mouth. It also helps with hot flashes when you are going through menopause. And it helps with diabetes, high cholesterol. Up next is mint. So we have different varieties of mint, spearmint, peppermint, and this one is wild mint. Basically with mint, it helps with your digestive health. It also helps for colds and flu. Basically with all these herbs, you can combine them together. What you make basically is the tea. Use the leaves. Quantities is dependent on how strong you want it. Put it in hot water, 250 ml. Let it simmer and drink it. You can add honey, don't add honey, it's the same thing. But all these helps with cold and flu. So this winter, you're sorted. Stay tuned for more tricks and tips with Akhona the Farmer.